Hello, this is Lucas with MarineMax, Lake the Ozarks. The boat in front of us here is the 2021 Nautique G23 Paragon. This boat comes with the rear loungers, with the customizable headrest, standard with the black sea deck flooring. The seats lift up so the entire crew can sit backwards and watch everybody who's riding and surfing behind the boat. This boat comes standard with the full jail audio setup, so the whole neighborhood can hear you from a mile away. The helm comes with one touchscreen, two screens in general. The helm control is ran by the dial here on the right. The tower can be raised up and down to fit inside the cover, as well as all dock sizes. The front is massive, being able to hold 4 of your family members. The Paragon comes with the swivel board racks. These are the strapless, so they can come in and be moved just by a flick of a hand. Come see us today at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks and buy a beautiful G23 Paragon.